So number one, the product of reaction catalyzed by nitrogenase enzyme in root nodules of leguminous plants is ammonia alone, nitrate alone, ammonia and oxygen, ammonia and hydrogen. So correct answer is option D. Nitrogenase enzyme convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia and hydrogen. Question number two. Thiobacillus is a group of bacteria that are helpful in carrying out denitrification, nitrogen fixation, chemoautotrophic fixation, nitrification. So correct answer is option A. Thiobacillus bacteria helpful in denitrification process. Question number 3. Which of the following bacteria reduces nitrate in the soil into nitrogen? Nitrobacter, Nitrococcus, Thiobacillus, Nitrosomonas. So correct answer is option C. Thiobacillus are the bacteria which reduces the nitrate into the nitrogen. Question number 4. During biological nitrogen fixation, inactivation of nitrogenase by oxygen poisoning is prevented by carotene, cytochrome, ligamoglobin, xanthophyll. So correct answer is option C. Ligamoglobin prevent the inactivation of nitrogenase enzyme. Question number 5. The first stable product of fixation of atmospheric nitrogen in leguminous plants is nitrate, glutamate, nitrite, ammonia. So correct answer is option D. Ammonia is the first stable product of fixation of atmospheric nitrogen in leguminous plants. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरखास्त है कि अगर आप इस चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. Question number 7. For its action, nitrogenase enzyme require high input of energy, light, manganese ion, superoxygen radical. So correct answer is option A. Nitrogenase enzymes require high energy for its action. Question number 8. Nitrifying bacteria oxidize ammonia into nitrates or convert free nitrogen into nitrogen compounds or converting protein into ammonia or reduce nitrates to free nitrogen. So correct answer is option A. Nitrifying bacteria oxidizes ammonia into nitrates. Question number 9. The function of ligamoglobin in the root nodules of legumes is inhibition of nitrogenase activity, oxygen removal, nodule differentiation, expression of NIF gene. So correct answer is option B. Red colored respiratory pigment ligamoglobin is involved in oxygen removal. Question number 10. One of the free living anaerobic nitrogen fixer is Bijrinkia, Rhodospirillum, Rhizobium, Azotobacter. So correct answer is option B. Rhodospirillum is a free living anaerobic nitrogen fixing bacteria. Question number 11. Which of the following is a flowering plant with nodules containing filamentous nitrogen fixing microorganism? The correct answer is option D. Casuarina equisetifolia is the flowering plant which have nitrogen fixing microorganism in its nodules. Question number 12. If by radiation all nitrogenase enzymes are inactivated, then there will be no fixation of nitrogen in the legumes. So correct answer is option A. Question number 13. Roots of which plant contain a red pigment which have affinity for oxygen? Carrot, soybean, mustard, radish. So correct answer is option B. Soybean is a leguminous plant and it has red pigment ligamoglobin which has high affinity for oxygen. Question number 14. What is true for cyanobacteria? Cyanobacteria are oxygenic with nitrogenase enzyme. Question number 15. Which aquatic fern performs the nitrogen fixation? Azula, nostoc, salvia, or salvinia? So correct answer is option A. Azula is an aquatic fern which perform nitrogen fixation. Question number 16. enzyme first used for nitrogen fixation is nitrogenase, nitroreductase, transferase, transaminase. So correct answer is option A. Nitrogenase is the enzyme that is used for nitrogen fixation. Question number 17. Which of the following is a free-living aerobic non-photosynthetic nitrogen-fixing bacterium? Nostoc, Azospirillum, Rhizobium, Azotobacter. So correct answer is option D. Azotobacter is a free-living aerobic and non-photosynthetic nitrogen-fixing bacterium.